Okay, students, we're going to be reviewing the next, we're going to have a quiz tomorrow on lessons 1 through 4, chapter 10. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to review a few things. The first one's going to be volume of rectangular prism. I'll go ahead and I'll make my box here. And remember that volume is everything that's it's inside of the box. The area's surface area, everything that's on the outside. In this case, this is volume. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to label each thing here on my box. This will be 10 feet. This is going to be 4 feet. Bring this down just a little so you could see it. There we go. And my height will be 6 feet. I'm going to show you both ways that you can do this. Over here I'll do volume equals base times height. Okay, and over here I'm going to put volume equals length times width times height. Okay, so in this case, when you use this formula, these can both be considered bases. So I'm going to go ahead, equals these two right here. I'm going to add them together. Okay, I'm going to add them together along with this, but these actually should be 4 times 10 is 40. And then my 6 feet. Okay, it's a shortcut. Volume equals 40 times 6 times 6 equals 240. And because I'm working with feet, and it's going to be cubed because it's everything that's on the inside. Now let's go over here and we're going to do the same thing. We should get the same answer. It's just this one was a shortcut because we consider these both the base. But in this case, we'll say this is a length, 10. This is the width, 4. And that's times, and then our height is 6. So we'll go ahead and we'll multiply 10 times 4 times 6 equals 240 feet cubed. Same answer, just a shortcut. Okay, excellent. Let's just do one more. All right, get my paper here. That's volume of a rectangular prism. Okay, so if I have a container that measures 4 inches long, 5 inches high, and 8.5 inches wide. Actually, I'm going to save that for another one. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do, I'll do that one. Okay, so let's just make our box here. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and make this 8 inches. And this is going to be 13 inches. And this is going to be 5 inches. And again, I'll do both of my formulas. So see, you can see volume equals base times height. Okay. And this one over here is going to be volume equals length times width times height. I'm going to go and plug these in. So these two here, you actually multiply. So volume equals, you'll multiply these two, we would call these bases. So 13 times 8 equals 104. So this is 104, and my height is 5, because this is where my height is going up and down. Okay, let's go ahead and multiply 104, I have it on here ready, times 5 equals 520. And because it is a cubed, its volume, it's 520 inches cubed. Now let's go ahead and let's look at this one, and we'll identify everything. This, I'm going to go ahead and call this my length. I'm going to call this my width, and this is my height. And so I know where everything goes. Okay, so volume equals, my length is 13. Remember, parentheses means you're multiplying everything. My width is 8. And my height is 5. Now I'm going to go ahead and just multiply these, and I should get 520. 13 times 8 times 5 equals 520 inches cubed. They're both the same. Excellent.